If you touch him from here, he will go crazy. Here is that sensitive point that not everyone knows. You've learned this secret that will blow your partner's mind, and now it's time to apply it. This information will take your relationship to a whole new level. Get ready, because now you will rekindle the passion. Hello friends. Would you like to increase your sexual attractiveness with secrets that no one knows? Today we will share with you incredible tips from the depths of Stoic philosophy. Once you learn these techniques, you will immediately feel the difference in your sexual attraction. Let's step into our mysterious world and discover your sexual attraction. Part 1. Increase your sexuality with inner peace. Friends, welcome to the first part of our video. Today we will tell you the first and perhaps the most important step in increasing your sexual attractiveness: inner peace. Inner peace, one of the foundations of Stoic philosophy, not only improves your overall quality of life but also greatly affects your sexual attractiveness. So, what is inner peace and how does it increase your sexual attractiveness? Let's explore together. Inner peace is the ability to balance one's own emotional and mental state. Stoic philosophy teaches us to create serenity and tranquility in our own inner world, regardless of external factors. This peace allows us to remain calm, no matter how chaotic the events around us. So how does this increase your sexual attractiveness? A person with inner peace radiates natural confidence and serenity to those around him. This attracts people to you because they subconsciously seek a safe and peaceful environment. When you achieve your own inner peace, the people around you will also feel this peace and become more interested in you. The greatest power of Stoic philosophy is to provide and maintain this inner peace. Inner peace means a mind free from stress and anxiety. This allows you to be more comfortable and confident in social situations. A comfortable and confident posture are factors that directly increase your sexual attractiveness. People are more attracted to individuals who are confident and comfortable. Thanks to your inner peace, you can communicate more easily in social environments, express yourself better, and create a more attractive aura. Part 2. The importance of self-confidence in sexuality. Self-confidence is one of the cornerstones of sexual attraction. A person's self-confidence is directly related to the energy and attitude he radiates to his environment. So, how does self-confidence increase your sexual attractiveness, and how can Stoic philosophy help you with this? A self-confident person radiates a natural attraction to his environment. This power of attraction is not limited to physical appearance only, it is also about a person's self-belief, stance, and behavior. A self-confident person acts more comfortably and confidently in social environments, which attracts the attention of the people around him. People are more attracted to individuals who are self-confident and know what they want. Stoic philosophy is an excellent guide to solidifying the foundations of self-confidence. The Stoics' principle of Epictetus, stand up and look as you are, can guide you in this regard. According to this principle, it is important for people to know their own value and potential and to reflect this to the outside world. Self-confidence begins with recognizing and accepting one's own values and abilities. You can use the negative visualization technique, one of the Stoic practices, to increase self-confidence. This technique allows you to visualize negative situations in your mind and determine how you will react to these situations. In this way, you will be more prepared and confident when you encounter unexpected situations. Negative visualization helps you be more comfortable and confident in social situations by increasing self-confidence. Part 3. Discover your power of sexual attraction with emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence plays a critical role in increasing your sexual attractiveness. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage one's own emotions, understand the emotions of others, and direct these emotions in a positive way. So, how does emotional intelligence increase your sexual attractiveness, and how can Stoic philosophy help you with this? Emotional intelligence is one of the key elements that increase success and sexual attraction in social relationships. An emotionally intelligent person understands their partner's emotional needs and responds to them appropriately. This empathy and understanding makes the relationship deeper and more meaningful. Stoic philosophy's Seneca's compassion and understanding teaching guides you in developing emotional intelligence. This teaching emphasizes the ability to understand the emotional states of others and respond appropriately to them. One way to increase emotional intelligence is to practice awareness and attention. The awareness meditation, one of the Stoic practices, is very effective in this regard. This meditation calms your mind and allows you to better manage your emotional reactions. Individuals with high emotional intelligence communicate more effectively in social environments, which increases sexual attraction. Another way to increase emotional intelligence is to develop active listening skills. The Stoics' active listening technique is an excellent tool for truly understanding the other person and making them feel that you value them. This technique helps you create a deeper connection with your partner and increase sexual attraction. As a result, emotional intelligence greatly increases your sexual attractiveness. Stoic philosophy gives you powerful tools to improve your emotional intelligence. By increasing your emotional intelligence, you not only deepen and make meaningful your sexual attraction, but also all your relationships. In the next section, we will explore ways to increase sexual attraction through effective communication. Strengthen your emotional intelligence and maximize your sexual attraction. Part 4: Increasing sexual attractiveness through effective communication. Effective communication plays an important role in increasing your sexual attractiveness. Communication is not limited to just words. Body language, intonation, and emotional expressions are also part of communication. Stoic philosophy can help you develop effective communication skills. So, how does effective communication increase your sexual attractiveness? Effective communication increases mutual understanding and empathy. A good communicator understands their partner's emotional needs and responds to them appropriately. This increases the depth of the relationship and sexual attraction. Stoic philosophy's teachings of active listening and thoughtful speaking guide you in this regard. Active listening is the art of truly understanding the other person and showing them that you care. The Stoics' teaching of thoughtful speaking emphasizes choosing your words carefully and consciously. This teaching increases accuracy and sincerity in communication. Accurate and thoughtful conversation allows you to establish a deeper connection with your partner. Honesty and openness in communication are important factors that increase your sexual attractiveness. Another way to increase effective communication is body language and eye contact. The correct posture and eye contact principles of Stoic philosophy guide you in this regard. Standing upright reflects self-confidence and determination, while making eye contact shows your interest and attention to the person in front of you. These are important elements that increase your sexual attractiveness. As a result, effective communication greatly increases your sexual attractiveness. Stoic philosophy gives you powerful tools to improve your effective communication skills. By improving your communication skills, you not only deepen and make meaningful your sexual attraction, but also all your relationships. In the next section, we will explore the role of mental toughness in sexuality and how it can be developed through Stoic practices. Learn effective communication and take your sexual attraction to the top. Chapter 5: Reach the peak in sexuality with mental toughness. Mental toughness is a critical factor in increasing your sexual attractiveness. Mental toughness is the ability to stay strong in the face of challenges, cope with stress, and stay emotionally balanced. Stoic philosophy offers powerful tools to increase mental toughness. So how does mental toughness increase your sexual attractiveness? A person with mental toughness can stand firm in the face of difficulties and remain calm even in stressful situations. This provides a great advantage in social environments and relationships. Individuals who display a self-confident and calm stance give confidence to the people around them, which increases sexual attraction. Stoic philosophy's teaching of Epictetus' calm and determined stance guides you on this matter. To increase mental endurance, you can use the premeditatio malorum technique, one of the Stoic practices. This technique allows you to visualize negative situations in your mind and determine how you will react to these situations. In this way, you will be more prepared and calm when you encounter unexpected situations. Mental toughness plays an important role in increasing sexual attraction because you maintain a reliable and determined presence even in stressful and difficult situations. The thoughtful breathing technique of the Stoics is an effective method of increasing mental endurance. This technique allows you to calm your mind by taking deep and controlled breathing. Mentally tough individuals remain emotionally balanced, which increases sexual attraction. Controlled breathing helps you stay calm and express yourself better in stressful situations. Chapter 6, Physical Health and Sex, Stoic Methods. Physical health is one of the most essential elements in increasing your sexual attractiveness. A healthy body increases your self-confidence and presents a more attractive appearance to those around you. Stoic philosophy cares about physical health and offers various practices to guide you in this regard. So how does physical health increase your sexual attractiveness, and how can Stoic methods help you with this? Physical health is a factor that improves your overall quality of life and directly affects your sexual attractiveness. A healthy body allows for an energetic and dynamic lifestyle. This energy and dynamism allows you to be more active and attractive in social environments. A healthy body also increases your self-confidence. Self-confident individuals display a more comfortable and impressive stance in social interactions. This is an important element that increases your sexual attractiveness. Stoic philosophy recommends various methods to maintain and improve your physical health. One of these is to exercise regularly. The Stoics emphasize the importance of physical activity to keep the body healthy and strong. Exercising regularly improves not only your physical health but also your mental health. Exercise reduces stress, increases the release of endorphins, and generally makes you feel happier and more balanced. This increases your sexual attractiveness because happy and balanced individuals are found more attractive by the people around them. Another important way to maintain physical health is a balanced and healthy diet. Stoic philosophy advises avoiding extremes and living a balanced life. This also applies to your eating habits. A balanced diet ensures your body gets all the nutrients it needs and supports your overall health. Healthy nutrition increases your energy, beautifies your skin, and makes you feel better. These are all factors that increase your sexual attractiveness. Another important advice of the Stoics is the importance of getting enough sleep. Adequate and quality sleep is vital for maintaining your physical health. Sleep is necessary for rejuvenation and rest of your body and mind. A good sleep pattern increases your energy levels, lowers your stress levels, and generally helps you live a healthier and more balanced life. This increases your sexual attractiveness because a rested and energetic body is found more attractive by the people around you. As a result, physical health greatly increases your sexual attractiveness. Stoic philosophy gives you powerful tools to maintain and improve your physical health. Exercising regularly, eating a balanced diet, and getting enough sleep are key ways to maintain your physical health and increase your sexual attractiveness. Friends, that's all for today. If you liked this video and want to learn more about increasing your sexual attractiveness, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on notifications. I will be here with new and interesting content every week. You can also share your comments and questions below. I would be happy to read them all. See you in the next video.